Hey, Osbert is my name, and I would like to share with you ways of making money on forgotten websites. A forgotten website is a site you may have created a few years ago that seemed like a great idea. Unfortunately, like many big ideas for the web, only a few realize their potential. The webmasters for these websites probably have tried banner ads, pay-per-click, and affiliate marketing and found that they could only make a few dollars per month. These money-losing websites often become forgotten, while the website owner begins work on another great idea. There are thousands of webmasters not making money on forgotten websites that actually offer the potential for substantial monthly income. Selling text link advertising offers hope for many webmasters to make $200 plus per month by selling a few text links on their forgotten websites. How much a link is worth on a website depends on the metrics of the site. The more search engine backlinks, the higher the PR throughout the website, the more index pages, and the more great content a site has, the more your website can make selling text links. It is not uncommon for a strong, authority website to make more than $3,000 a month on text link sales alone. If you want to monetize your site by selling text links, there are 3 ways to find buyers. 1. Sell your links through a text link auction site like linkAdage auctions, http://www.linkadage.com. Selling links yourself through an auction site will allow you to keep nearly all of your profits. The negative is that you need to post auctions, set your prices, post the links, and bill the winning bidders. 2. Use a text link brokerage company. Text link brokers normally will give you a 50-50 split on what they charge for your links. While this seems like a lot, if you want to be hands-off and let someone else do 90% of the work, using a text link brokerage is the best way to go. With a brokerage, other than the negative of splitting half of your link ad revenue, you also have less control over the type of links that get included on your site. 3. Include an advertise rate page on your website. Simply list the prices you want for a text link on your various pages. The best part of this method is that you will be able to keep all of your profits. The negative is that unless your site gets a lot of traffic, your link sales will be slow. Mainly, don't let your forgotten websites gather dust just because you have never made money on them. Even if what you can make is just a few $100s per month selling links on a website, that will at least cover the site's hosting fees and add a few $1,000s to your net income at the end of the year. Subscribe for more videos.